Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel, StudyZone. This is the 13th tutorial of probability, chapter 15th of standard 10th. In last session, we discussed about example 6 and in that, second question was left. So, we will discuss about it as well as example 7. So, don't waste the time and go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 7 and obviously homework. So starting with the first, basic formula. Basic formula of probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. It is already known. So go to the next, it's homework answer. First question is Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have the same birthday? Ignoring leap year means we should take 365 days as total outcomes. So, total outcomes equals to 365 and possible outcomes equals to 1 because in year any single day is the same. So, probability of same birthday equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 1 upon 365. Now, you can use another method like probability of same birthday equals to total probability minus probability of different birthday equals to 1 minus 364 divided by 365. Here there is no in denominator, right? So we should take LCM 365. So 365 multiplied by 1 minus 364. So 365 minus 364 divide by 365. So 365 minus 364 equals to 1 upon 365. Got it? If you have any question about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Go to the next. It's Savita and Hamida are friends. What is probability that both will have different birthdays and same birthdays in leap year? Leap year means we should take 366 days total, right? Or total outcomes. Here we should find the probability about birthday. So birthday means we should talk about day, not week or not year. So total days in year equals to 366, right? And possible outcomes for first, different birthdays for both friends, Savita and Hamida. If Hamida's birthday is different from Savita, then possible outcomes equals to 366 minus 1 because total days are 366 and single day which is same. So 366 minus 1 equals to 365. So probability of different birthday equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 365 divided by 366. Now second question which is same birthday. Total outcomes it is 366. Now possible outcomes equals to 1 because in year any single day is the same. So probability of same birthday equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 1 upon 366. And in that also you can use another method. Probability of same birthday equals to total probability minus probability of different birthday equals to 1 minus 365 divided by 366 because here we have answer, right? 365 divided by 366. And check it, there is nothing in denominator. So we should take LCM 366. So 366 multiplied by 1 minus 365. So 366 minus 365 divided by 366. So 366 minus 365 equals to 1 divided by 366. Got it? Now go to the next. It's third question. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be white, blue and red? So starting with the first, here we have 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. So total balls are 3 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 9. So total outcomes equals to 9. Now possible outcomes for white marbles. possible outcome equals to 2 because we have 2 white marbles. So probability to get white marbles equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 2 divided by 9. Now second, it's blue marbles. Possible outcomes equals to 3 because we have 3 blue marbles. Probability to get blue marbles equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 3 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9. So answer is 1 divided by 3. Got it? Now third, here it should be written in 3, right? I have left it. So write by on. White marbles, possible outcomes equals to 4 because we have 4 red marbles. So probability to get red marbles equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 4 divided by 9. Got it? If you have any question about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Now go to the next. It's example 7. There are 40 students in class 10th of school of whom 25 are girls and 15 are boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. She writes the name of each student on separate card, the cards being identical. Then she puts cards in bag and steers them thoroughly. She then draws one card from the bag. What is the probability that the name written on the card is name of first a girl and second a boy? So there are total 40 students present in class. In short, right? So total outcomes 40 and possible outcomes for girls. Possible outcomes equals to 25 because there are 25 girls in class. So probability to name of girl equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 25 divided by 40. And for boy, I am giving you just guidance for boy. 15 boys means 15 divided by 40. Right? Is it answer or not? You should give me answer in next session. So go to the next. It's homework time. First question is there are 40 students in class 10th of school of whom 25 are girls and 15 are boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a representative. She writes the name of each student on separate card. The cards being identical, then she puts cards in bag and steers them thoroughly. She then draws one card from the bag. What is the probability that name written on the card in the same? And the question was left a boy, right? From the example 7, right here. So it is in homework. And second question also find the probability to get yellow ball and second not yellow ball. Figure, yeah, refer. You should refer here figure. Now best of luck guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe and obviously and share with your friends. Bye.